Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 11386 Class 1 trailer hitch on a 2007 Mazda 3. To give you a better view of the installation, we will be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 30 minutes to 1 hour depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. Begin by removing the two plastic fasteners connected to the bumper fascia from the metal tabs located here. Starting on the driver's side, enlarge the two attachment holes located on the side and the back of the vehicle's frame using a 1/2 inch drill bit. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Make sure the holes are large enough to accommodate the supplied carriage bolts. Beginning on the passenger side, fish wire the rearmost attachment point by inserting the coiled end of the fish wire up through the rearmost enlarged access hole and out through the open end of the frame. Place the square hole spacer over the coiled end of the fish wire and place the spacer into the frame. Thread the carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fish wire and pull the carriage bolt into the frame through the spacer and out through the frame. Repeat this process on all other enlarged attachment points. Do not unthread the fish wire from the carriage bolts on the sides of the frame. Raise the hitch into position. Thread the ends of the attached fish wire into the side plates of the hitch. Lift the hitch over the two metal tabs and take care not to knock the fish wired hardware into the frame. Secure the hitch with the supplied flange nuts until finger tight. To keep the hardware on the sides from falling into the frame, after unthreading the fish wire, you can hold them in place with a flathead screwdriver or a trim retainer tool. Replace the plastic fasteners back through the metal tabs. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. This completes the installation of the CURT 11386 Class 1 trailer hitch on a 2007 Mazda 3. Add style to your ride with the exclusive CURT Euro mount option and find the right custom vehicle-to-trailer wiring harness for your Mazda. Thank you for watching this video. Now you can bring it!